always on a phone. Umempea attention, unamfanyia, unamuongelesha hapa ako tu kwa simu. Hapo kuna question mark.
When someone starts going to pick phone somewhere else, and another thing about phone again, you'll find that I'll call this person later. That is a red flag.
Number one, I think when conversations are not the way it used to be. When mlikuwa mna vibe sana, lakini siku hizi imekuwa more of interview kama mambo or fit. So hiyo ni red flag ya kwanza.
If the person alikuwa anashinda na wewe and then suddenly anakuja home late.
If someone stops giving you attention, when people are in love for the first time, it's all cozy, mmeshonesha vitenge zinafanana, mnaenda kwa bafu pamoja, you're doing everything together, sahani mnakula chakula kwa sahani moja. And then all this stop
when there is a cold attitude towards each other, which results from changing behavior, any form of changing behavior. If the two of you guys used to be talking to each other and then all of a sudden you're quiet, or maybe you used to share passwords in your phone, all of a sudden you're quiet, that change in behavior is one of the red flags in a relationship.
Another one is reducing the amount of time alikuwa na kualoketia. Ukiona kama imeanza kupungua, just know that the time that you lose is going elsewhere.
This person, the second one, this person used to anakupea pesa ya saloon, anakuchukua like a queen, and then say all of a sudden unaona tu msee amechange, anamboeka na wewe, ashindi venye alikuwa anashinda na wewe.
If I would say the period between which you have sex, I mean previously you used to have sex for every day in a week. Hakukuwa na time ya kupumzika, and then all of a sudden mtu kienda kumgusa hivi kidogo atio baby leo sijisikii atio nini. My friend, that is a red flag.
Red flag ya pili ni you guys are no longer free with each other.
We suspect everyone is a thief. Unaona? Akishakwambia I suspect huko sawa, sijui nini, you have been cheating nini. Fikiria, that's what he is doing exactly. Tena anakwambia ndio anafanya.
There is misuse of resources when it comes to family matters. If you find that one partner has started misusing resources, should be a red flag that relationship is not going on well.
Okay, we know our people lack of nagging. Yeah, okay, we complain about nagging, but if you see someone is not nagging you, hakuna hizi maswali za ujinga, just know that the love is becoming some potent.
If someone gives the phone too much attention than you, of course, one is allowed to interact with their phones, but there's a period where when your partner is around, then I think there are things that you should refrain from doing, and just give each other that kind of attention.
Also, caring. Caring. You used to care. Umeshindaje babe? Have you eaten? Say yako kikula ni sawa, usipokula pia ni sawa.
If that relationship is very smooth, there is no quarreling, things are just good, you ask for anything you're given,
anaboeka tu na wewe, anafeel tu na mbo, yaani anafeel tu hakuna hiyo vibe yako, yaani amechoka tu na wewe, anaboeka tu, akikuona anasinywa ameboeka, lakini kwa chat my friend ina flow.